In order to turn on or off mobile data warning on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first we need to go to the security app. There we go. Now scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open the toolbox, and then we can go to data usage. Now over here, we want to go to the top right corner where we have this setting icon. And first of all, you might need to go to the data plan in order to set up the monthly data limit. And then once it is set up, you can choose what should happen when the limit is reached. So we can choose to show warning or show warning and turn off mobile data. Here you can manage the data warning level when you want to be informed about it. And over here we can go to data usage warning. Once you set up the data plan, you should be able to go to data usage warning where we can enable the daily limit. And then here we can also choose to warn ourselves about the incoming limit. And here we can also show warning on the lock screen. So if you don't want to see the warning, then apparently we cannot really turn it off without without disabling the limit itself. So unfortunately these two are connected, therefore you probably want to completely disable the data usage over here. So this is the mobile data saver in general. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!